While leaving for tournament, every player must carry sanitizer, extra mask, tissue paper, plastic bags, drinking water, and snacks. Ensure that Arogya Setu app is installed in your mobile. Wear your playing costume at home only. Avoid use of changing rooms or lockers in sports complex. Use your own transport and avoid using public transport. Stop. Do not hold the rail while climbing the staircase. Do not touch lift button surface with bare hand. Always use paper napkin. Use plastic bag for disposing paper napkin. Do not enter the crowded lift. Let the existing passenger vacate the lift, then enter the lift one by one, maintaining the physical distance, and also maintain physical distance in the lift. Do not touch other person's belonging or carry each other's bag. Always sanitize your hands before checking. Show your status on Arogya Setu app. Sanitize your hands again after checking. Don't open the door by bare hand. To open the door, push it by your shoulder or use paper napkin. Do not keep your belongings or bags on bench or chair. Keep it on floor. Do not take off your mask until you enter the playing arena. In the hall, maintain the physical distance of at least 6 feet. Use different sides to enter the playing arena. Keep your belongings or bags in allotted area. Remove your mask and keep it in your own bag before sanitizing your hands. Do not touch your mask after sanitizing your hands. Always sanitize your hands after removing mask. Keep physical distance during the toss. While showing the rackets to the opponent, stand across the table and show. Never share your equipments or personal belongings with anyone. Umpire will mark 2 balls and each player will receive a different ball after sanitizing. Here also, you maintain the physical distance. Always use your own ball for serving. Don't touch opponent's ball. Always use racket or foot for returning opponent's ball. Do not touch the table for wiping. Always use paper napkin and dispose it in dustbin. In case of coughing or sneezing, do it in your sleeve or elbow. At the time of changing sides, do it after table umpire leaves the arena. Each player must cross from his left side. After the match is over, do not shake hands. Instead, you can use rackets. Wear your mask immediately after leaving arena. Don't forget your belongings. Use the tissue while pulling the door.
I urge everyone to follow these guidelines and other safety precautions given by the government. I'm sure if we follow these guidelines, we'll have safe and successful tournament.
While using washrooms, use sanitizer spray for toilet seat, cover and flush knob. Keep wearing mask while using the toilet. Never flush while toilet cover is open. Flush only after closing the cover. After washing hands, do not use blow dryer. Use paper napkin. After coming out of washroom, sanitize your hand again.